Another important tool we'll be looking at is the Google Search Console. Let's see how to set it up. Welcome to Work Plaza One if this is your first time here. The next tool we are going to set up is also a free tool inside Google, and it's known as Google Search Console. It used to be called Google Webmaster Tools. It is a free tool, and in it you will find tools and reports that will help you to measure your site's search traffic and performance. It also fixes issues and make your site appear in the Google search results. There are several tools in it. You can use it to see which keywords are getting indexed in your site. That is what visitors type, review your site. And then if there are any problems also, it will indicate it. I have already set up mine on my site, so and I don't have a new property to add to it just now. And that's why I've written it out like this for you to follow. You use your Gmail to set it up, and after setting it up, the moment you type site, your site name into Google, your site will appear together with all the draft posts that you have in there. So go into Google Webmaster Tools right now and look for Add Property. It should be somewhere on the top there. You click the down arrow. It should be at the bottom and you click Add Property. And then the new box that will come up will have two boxes, one on the left, one on the right is the one you are going to use. It has URL prefix. Type in the name of your website beginning with https:// and then your website name. Click Continue and you see it verifying the property, or at least you see it setting up and bringing you the next option to choose. It gives you the next box that comes up gives you different ways to verify the website. You click on the second one where you have the HTML tag and copy the content or code with a white background. Note that you don't have to tamper with anything in your website theme header or your website code. When you go to Appearance Themes, all the code that set up your theme is there. You don't have to tamper with anything there. So you click the second one where you have the HTML tag and copy the content or the code with a white background as shown in the image here. The moment you click on it, it gets highlighted and you copy it. You paste it in the head section before the first body tag of your website inside the theme editor. And that is what has been indicated here, head section before the first body code or first body section. You also see verify on the side, but don't click on it. Without clicking on it, go into your website dashboard, appearance, theme editor. You see it in the right side. Don't tamper with anything in your website theme editor. Only what you want there to do. If you make a mistake, it will spoil things on your site. But this is where you go. This appearance, the bottom here, theme file editor. I think every theme in the way they will mention it, but it's usually the one at the bottom. So in the dashboard, you go to appearance, theme editor, and then on the right side, you look for the theme header or the header PHP. This is it. You click on it and it opens. And this is what you see. This is the first header and this is the second header. And this is the body tag. So you are pasting it within the head tags. Paste it at 23 before the last head tag, which is immediately before the first body tag. Paste it there. After pasting it there, you click Update File at the bottom. Go to the bottom and click Update File. And then you go back to Google Search Console, and now you can verify to see if it's gone through. If it hasn't gone through, you wait for a few hours. You can also click on property to see how your site is set up in Google Search Console. So you paste it and click update file, and then you go back to Google Search Console and click verify to see if it's gone through. If it hasn't gone through, you wait for a few hours. Then later you go and then click properties to see how your site is set up in Google Search Console. Now let's look at a summary of setting up of Google Search Console or Google Webmaster Tools. So you use your Google account to set up Google Search Console for your site. Look for Add Property. Select the option on the right, that is URL prefix. Type in the name of your website starting with https:// Click Continue. In the new page that comes up, click the second way to verify the property. That is where you have the HTML tag. Copy the code there with the white background. Don't click Verify yet. Copy the code and paste it into the closing head part of your theme editor. So you leave Google Webmaster Tools and go into your dashboard, your website dashboard. Click on Appearance and the theme editor below Appearance. And look on the right side of the page, you see Theme Head or Header PHP. And then you click on it to open the page. Don't touch the code there, don't tamper with it at all, but look for the two head sections. Start from the top, look for the opening head and the closing head with the slash before it. Leave a space and then paste the code before the closing head section. Go down the page and click Update File. After updating file, go back into Google Webmaster Tools, and then now you can click Verify. If it's not verified immediately, wait a few hours. Also, after some hours or days, you go back to Property in Google Webmaster Tools and see how your site is set up.